Good morning, everybody. It's Monday. I'm happy to see you guys. Let's do our rules song, okay? Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands. And a calm body, and a calm body. I hope you had a good weekend this weekend. Some of the days were really nice. Yesterday was nice and sunny, so I hope you got outside to play. So let's start calendar. Let's start right away. We're going to do the days of the week first. Here we go. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, yesterday was Sunday. Today is what? You take a guess. What's this word? It's Monday. Nice. Can you tell me Monday? Great job. It's Monday. Let's click on this yellow rectangle where it says Monday. Nice job. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. We have to do the months. I need to get the months poster. Oh, here we go. Phew, there it is. All right, so how many months are in the year? Do you remember how many? How many months are in a year? 12 months in a year, right? All right, let's do it. Ready? We always start with what? January. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then we turn around. Nice job. You guys did a nice job on that. The month is April. What's the month? April. This looks the same, right? That's a match. So it's April. And then if we look up top on our calendar here, that's where the month is. That says April. Nice. April starts with what letter? Nice. You tell me. What letter does April start with? Great job. A. That's right. April starts with letter A. Great. Months are all done. We need to do some counting now. Are you ready to count? All right. We start with number 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. That number is 13. Can you tell me? What number is that? Good. It's 13. And if we wrote 13, I made dots on my whiteboard, right? So I can write 13. I start with number 1 over here. It's a 1. I'm going to follow the dots. 1. And then I'm going to make a 3. Follow the dots. Bump, bump. Did I make a 13? That looks pretty good. So, to make a 13 on our 10 frame, we actually need 2 10 frames. This is 10. And then I have another one. And I have to have 10 plus 3 more dots. Let's do the 3 dots, then we'll count it. I'm going to do pink today. All right? All right. Let's fill it with 3 dots. Ready? 1, 2, and then the last one is 3. 3. So let's count all the dots. All right. This is a 10 frame, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Nice job. So that's 13 dots we have there for both 10 frames. Good job. Awesome. All right. Let's see. The days of the week are all done. The months of the year are all done. And now we have to do the weather. Ready? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? Nice singing. Do you remember that song, the weather song? That's a good one. All right. In Northbridge, out my window, I see it's raining today. What's the weather? You tell me. Rainy. That's right. These are clouds and then the raindrops are coming in. Great. Rain, rain, go away. But remember, in April, right? April, there's a lot of rain. That's why we have the umbrellas to keep us dry, right? All right. So let's say the whole date together. Ready? Okay. Today is Monday. The month is April. The number is 13, or we can say 13th, 2020. And the weather is rainy. Good job, friends. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.